Hello, my dear friends. My name is Suresh Shrimali. Namaskar. Welcome to Astro and Numero with Shrimali, your one stop channel for astrology and numerology. Today, I will tell you about the effect of Mercury combust and how it will put an impact on your zodiac sign. Let's know the importance of planet Mercury in Vedic astrology. Mercury has a significant role in your life. It signifies your intellect, wisdom, speech, mindset, among many other aspects of your life. The planet, the planet determines the sense of the world around you and how you form bright new ideas and present it to others. Mercury is responsible for how you express yourself to the other world. Mercury combust will take place from 6th April to 30th April 2021. Now, your wait is over. Let's start the magic of prediction with positive energy and high vibes. Let's start with the fire, that is Aries. If you have been ill for a long time, you will now see improvement in your health. In business, luck will support you at every step and you will get success and achievements. You can go outside or abroad in connection with work at the workplace. You may have eye related disorders. Do regular medical checkups. Students' mind can deviate from studies, which will cause you to face problems. Siblings in the family may face some kind of problems. Your health may be a bit fragile. You may have to go on sudden trips. Now, let's move to the bull, that is Taurus. If you are doing a business in partnership with someone, then you can get favorable results in it. With the expansion in business, favorable condition can be created for you. There is a possibility of a change in job. Students will have to put more effort for study, which will be good for the preparation of examinations. Your partner is likely to get success in his field. Love life will also be very happy. In family life, mutual love will be seen among the members. Now let's move to twins, that is Gemini. Your new contacts will be formed in the society and you will gain respect from them. You will get success due to the efforts made for accelerating business. You will get promotional opportunities at the planning workplace. But for that, you need to work hard. New happiness can resonate in your house, means you will get new childbirth in house. Your family or love life seems very good. If you do not take care while driving, then minor injury can take place. Be alert during last week of April. Students preparing for examination will get good success. Now let's move to the crab, that is Cancer. This period is going to prove very favorable for your business deals. And from an economic point of view, you will get a lot of benefits. If you want to try for a new job, after 23rd of April is going to be very lucky for you. For artists, a new phase is waiting for you. Communication skills can prove to be the key to your success. The competitive exams will prove to be favorable for students. If you do a job, then improve your performance so that you can get more and more profit. During this time, you should avoid traveling. Now let's move to Lion, that is Leo. There will be many opportunities for growth in business. With intellectual skills, you will take full advantage of these opportunities. Students will not be able to concentrate on studies due to dissolution of concentration. So try to avoid studying through gadgets. Buying or selling can be good for you and you can get benefit. Students will be goal oriented and highly motivated. Time will also be very prosperous for family and close ones. Control your anger, else disputes may arise in family. You will be more active in social and religious activities. There are strong chances of long distance travel. Now let's move to Earth, that is Virgo. There is more competition in your business, so try to be more active and smart at workplace. You need to be careful while investing a huge amount or taking hasty steps at the financial front. You will require sincere efforts and dedication to achieve your targets at workplace. You will get unexpected income and new achievements in your life. A new relationship may start in your life, but you are advised to think about it. It is not auspicious time for your health, so do yoga and meditations. You may go for frequent trips with family and friends. Now let's move to scales, that is Libra. In business, some problems may arise, but you will get unexpected income. Your work may cross the deadline and your boss may get upset from you. Students, players, and artists will see new areas of improvement. You will feel more energetic today. Your health seems to be very good. You are most likely to get financial benefits. You can get many benefits in your personal life. You will get success in your career on the strength of hard work and dedication in the field. Now let's move to Scorpion, that is Scorpio. Partnership business should mostly work out well this month. You may take time to prove your worth to your bosses. Be careful about the decisions you make regarding government work. Students will be distracted from studies and will be involved in love affairs. A long trip lies ahead with government officials. You need to soften your tone with colleagues to avoid differences during the mid month. There may be some kind of rough state in the family. You will be surrounded by digestion and constipation related problems. Your health and mentally, your physical and mental health will be affected. Now let's move to Archer, that is Sagittarius. This period is going to prove very favorable for your business deal. And from an economic point of view, you will get a lot of benefits during this period. You may get employed if you are working hard. For artists, a new phase is waiting for you. Students will be goal oriented and highly motivated. Time will also be very prosperous for family and close ones. Your relationship with your father will be strong during this period. Religious trip is expected. Practice yoga for good mental health. Now let's move to Goat, that is Capricorn. You will be willing to invest for betterment in the business. New businessmen will be able to repay all their debts and their businesses will be totally settled. There will be a chance of promotion in the field. Your work may be appreciated. Artists are likely to get promoted. You may go out on short trip with friends. You may get benefits from your younger siblings during this period. They will support you throughout the challenges and you prosper both physically and emotionally. Now let's move to the water, that is Aquarius. Business persons are expected to keep eye on expenses which may affect their profit. There are also chances of your getting a prominent designation in your company. Time is also favorable if you are applying for a loan. Students preparing for competitive or entrance exams will get favorable results. Try to wake up early in the morning to get best results. You will remain the center of attraction at work. Students who want to go out of their native place for higher education will get success in this. Your family will be your support system and pillar of strength during this time period. The misunderstandings that were going on in your life will go away. Now let's move to fish, that is Pisces. There will also be profit from the business partner. You may have to bear the brunt of the mistakes of the opponents at the workplace. You have to be cautious. Students will receive the blessings of their mentors and you will score good marks in the exams. You may go on short religious trip with family. In marital life, you will get respect in society by the success of your life partner. Your mother's health may decline, so take special care of her health. Challenges in your career can make your situation a bit bawdy. So, friends, it was my analysis for Mercury Combus transit. Now I am suggesting some remedies. These remedies will help you for better future. Chant mantra of Mercury, that is Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namaha, at least 108 times a day. Place bronze Kuber statue in north direction. Grow and nurture a basil plant for witnessing auspicious results of this transit. Offer raw rice to goddess Parvati on Fridays. Dear friends, if you have any personal or professional problems and would like a personalized session, please feel free to contact us via telephonic or video conferencing appointment. You can also WhatsApp us on given number or drop your queries in the comment box. In the end, all I want to say is remember that believe in yourself and have faith in your abilities. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Best of luck. Namaskar.
आज को कल से मिलाती है कुंडली, आज ही कल का हाल बताती है कुंडली। जब अथक परिश्रम के पश्चात भी बना रहे अभाव, परेशानियां और बाधाएं बदले आपका स्वभाव, अपनी भावी समस्याओं को समय पूर्व ही जान जाएंगे, न केवल जानेंगे पर समाधान भी पाएंगे। तब कुंडली बनवाकर इन सभी से निजात पाएं। कौन मित्र है और कौन है शत्रु? जीवन साथी में ढूंढते हो प्रेम या प्रेम में ढूंढते हो जीवन साथी? शिक्षा, करियर, नौकरी हो या व्यवसाय, पद उपलब्धि और कैसे मिलेगा सम्मान? कुंडली भविष्य का प्रवेश द्वार है और समस्याओं के समाधान का आधार है कुंडली। आपके भविष्य का दर्पण है कुंडली, समाधानों के द्वारा दुखों का अर्पण है कुंडली। जन्म कुंडली में शरीर के सभी अंगों का विचार तथा उनमें होने वाले रोग या विकारों का विचार कुंडली के भिन्न भिन्न भावों से किया जाता है। आप में सभी प्रतिभाएं विद्यमान हैं, फिर भी आप असफल क्यों हो रहे हैं? इन सभी बातों के बारे में जानने के लिए आप भी जरूर करवाएं कुंडली विश्लेषण।